experience of journeying through these sounds.
Birds chirping, right? And some sounds, like it was like thundering on my heart. I wanted it to stop, right? Even the snoring. I think there was a fart also in this.
I know someone snoring so bad.
So let's see how our body reacts to it, right? Some we want to be on and on, some we wanted it to stop immediately.
We strangled him.
Yeah.
Yes, anybody else?
So I think with every sound that was playing, as the eyes are closed, you imagine a picture that automatically comes in.
Exactly.
From the bird chirping to the waterfall, if you have a picture in my mind from the past experiences where I've experienced some of them. And also how nice you feel. So when the birds are, you feel very calm. But a place where a lady was like crying or something, you suddenly imagine from a movie clip or somewhere you imagine that.
Yes.
But then you're like, okay, what's next? You know, and then you want to. So yes, I think the summary from mine was you have a picture for everything that you, as the sound progresses.
Triggers your visual imagination. Yeah. What else? Anybody here?
Yeah. Thanks for remembering my name.
I do. That's I think the first thing all leaders should learn. Remembering names.
Yeah. In addition to the visualization, I felt every sound was bringing some emotion in me. I mean, it was getting connected. The emotion was also there.
So you were responding to the sounds emotionally.
Yeah.
Right? Anybody else wants to add to this? Somebody was speaking. Yes, Kevin.
I was just feeling the fluctuation in the feelings I was having. Some
Yeah.
are very good sounds.
Yeah.
I was feeling with experiencing my old memory.
Exactly. So your memory gets triggered, visual imagination gets triggered, your emotions get triggered.
And
Right.
some are very hard sounds, like I was feeling when it will stop and come up with new sound.
I know. So some sounds are pleasant, some sounds are unpleasant. So you are involuntarily responding to sounds in an emotional manner.